Okay, so let's have a look at working 8 or adjusting 8 for Nora O'Connell 2010 paper. So an advertising payment is towards a 24-month campaign which began in 2010. So from this then, remember, we only include income and expenditure or expenses for the period that they're for. So with this then, because this campaign started on the 1st to the 10th, we got 10, 11, 12. So we got 3 months for this period, and the remainder then is going to be the advertising that's prepaid. So we need to find out of this advertising, which is 2,400, how much of that is for this period to go into your profit and loss account, and how much then goes into your balance sheet as a current asset. So our campaign is for 2,400. We can do a couple of things. We can divide that by 24 to see how much it is per month. So it'll be 100. So we're going to multiply that by 3 months. So it'll be 300 for your profit and loss as part of your selling and distribution. And what's left over then, so 21 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 100. So 2,100 then, that's going to go into your balance sheet as a current asset. You can also take the 24,000 multiplied by 3 over 24, 3 over 24. Give you 300, and then you're going to take them away from each other. So that's going to give you what's left. So this 300 then goes into your profit and loss as part of your selling and distribution. And what's left over then goes into your balance sheet as a current asset because it's prepaid, it's an expense.